Hi, I'm Rob Gouveia. I'm a master technician in an ADAS calibrator for Applied Automotive Technology. I was actually a high school English teacher. I taught at a trade school, and it was rewarding but extremely stressful. While working there, I really enjoyed working with the automotive department. And so from there, I went into automotive. I never expected to get into any kind of automotive training. It just seemed like for people that had been in the industry longer and had made the right contacts. But for me, it was pure chance. All of a sudden, I'm doing calibrations for Gary, and one day he said, would you mind if this group from Baltimore joins you and just watches what you do and answer questions? So we're going to show you everything on the 900. 900 operates in the same way as the 1000. The only difference is you're doing a lot of manual adjustments. So when I first started doing calibrations for Gary, there was not a lot of support or information out there. If you had a situation where something didn't calibrate, there was no one you could ask. I had to figure out everything on my own. A lot of trial and error. I think it's awesome now that these people can call and I can say, yeah, I've been there, try this. And then they call back an hour later and they're like, man, you know how much grief you saved me. It's a good feeling. I've really enjoyed meeting people from other parts of the country. It's only like 2.5 days, but you kind of get to know each other over those period of time. And even now when people call, we joke around, we ask about different things that we talked about during training. It's a lot of fun meeting these new people. My biggest hobby is I'm a home brewer. I make my own beer. I'm doing it for about 20 years now. We have a lot of fun. I do a lot of gardening, I do a ton of reading, I raise chickens.
Why should customers have you of all people do their calibration?
Oh, because I am absolutely awesome. I absolutely take pride in what I do. I'm very meticulous about performing calibrations. For the most part, it's not considered high-end work. It's not A-Tech work, but you still have to have a sense of detail and make sure that you're doing everything the way it should be done. And I take a lot of pride in that we're not just getting it into the green, we're getting it into the 0 point. So it's a perfect calibration every single time. We're in the newest part of automotive repair. You know, the technology that we're calibrating today is going to be the technology that helps cars to drive themselves safely. You're going to be at the very forefront. And it's going to change and improve and give us more opportunity. Anyone that is working on cars where there's going to need to be a calibration done at the end should be doing calibrations. You can figure it out.